officially started our Euro summer. We just touched down in Paris and we are making our way to Santorini. This is the look of the night. I slicked my hair back because it was so greasy from traveling. This is my fit. It's a dress from Zara. We went to the wrong place for dinner. Now we're walking to the right place. This walk to dinner is insane. Cheers. We just arrived in Paros, and then in a few days we are going to be on the cruise, cruising around different islands in Greece. So I'm gonna take you guys along and show you everything. I don't know what I'm doing in Paros right now. I'm just gonna walk downtown and see what's down there and maybe grab a bite to eat. We'll see. There are flowers everywhere. It's so pretty downtown. Very quiet and serene during the day. Right, I got ready for dinner. This is the final look. A very light makeup, just concealer, mascara, some lip gloss. And this is my little fit.
Waiter.
The bill, please. Log over at breakfast. We are on the beach right by our hotel. Look at how pretty it is. Say hi. Tanning on the rocks at the beach with Beth. We are thriving. It's the perfect day. It's sunny, it's hot, the water is crystal, like Gatorade blue. It's just so nice. And we just went for a swim and it fully, I think, cured my hangover. It's so nice. I need to go for a swim.
I literally could bring back to
It's so pretty.
It's so fucking hard.
The hair has gone up. It's too hot. Wow. We stopped to grab some lunch. Yep. What? Tofu. Just got our lunch. I got a falafel bowl and Carly got a little poke bowl. Taste test.
It looks delicious. It's fire.
I'm panicking. I need a bite.
I need to like.
Oh, that has olives in it. With the look how good Carly that looks.
The olives?
With the rice. We are on our way to dinner in Paros. This is the view right by our hotel room. It's so pretty. We're going to this delicious restaurant on the water.
Paros.
Yeah. Yes. And have you been?
No, but I know it's the most fantastic here in Paros.
Oh my god.
yeah.
About the view.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. What about the food?
It's also very good. We don't have to talk about that.
So we are on Virgin Voyages this entire week. We are leaving Athens now, and tomorrow we're going to be in Santorini. We're going to Bodrum in Turkey. We're going to Rhodes in Greece, Mykonos for 2 days, and then back to Athens. Each year we go on a Virgin Voyages cruise during the summer. Me, Carly, Jazz, and Elizabeth. So I'm very excited. Here is the closet. Then we have the bathroom and the little shower. Here is the bedroom, same as last year. And then we have the terrace. This is the whole room. They also put a note, we noticed you may be traveling solo.
I literally went over to your rooms and I looked so lost and everyone was staring at me. I actually did it myself.
First meal of the cruise, I got a little cold grilled cheese, some fries. Lunchtime. Got a donut.
The donut.
And a s'mores cookie. Unpacking my suitcase. Woke up from a nap. We made a reservation at 6:15 for dinner. I don't know if you can see that. It's 6:30.
I love you. It's so good. Brown butter. This is what they are trying to do right now. Back home at our favorite place in the world, Virgin Voyages.
Just finished our workout and now we're eating breakfast. Carly, what'd you get?
I got some yogurt and some overnight oats and I just like mixed them together.
I ordered so much stuff. I got Raisin Bran, a chocolate croissant, overnight oats, a plain bagel with butter and cream cheese.
Just so cool to think about. Like I used to be like a Hanna like follower. Like
No.
I used to be like a stan and like watch her videos and like now we're best friends. I'm just like really honored to be here right now.
Stop! We're going to a beach club today in Santorini. This is the final beachy makeup look. Now I'm gonna get ready. I have so many bathing suits. I don't even know what I want to wear. Honestly, I haven't worn this one. I don't know if this is cute or not. We just got to the beach club in Santorini and me, Carly, and Elizabeth just got a bed for 250 euros.
You know what, Han? At least you're doing it in style.
Cheaper than the boat, I guess. Cheaper than the boat.
This is super cute. I like
Look
it.
at us.
Look at us.
Beach day.
Memories.
Beach day.
Very last.
Cheers, love. It does hit the vibe, honestly. I would love an apple spritz. Yeah, this is just
nice.
making me want an apple spritz.
We said we weren't gonna drink today.
Yeah, well, I lied.
First time trying a star fruit.
Here, hand.
Not a fan, not really. Here's the cucumber avocado roll. Pretty good. She also put an ice cube in my champagne.
Yeah, and you loved it.
Jail.
Who wants warm champagne?
Jail.
And also, this isn't normal ice.
I'm
This is
sending
like-
you to the slammer.
This is ice that you
Straight
can-
to
Don't you
do that!
It's good ice.
My dirty dogs. You don't want my dirty dogs in your photo.
I don't want your dirty dog.
Please.
Drink up, buttercup.
I'll do another one after.
The line to get home is so long. We're parched. Maybe it's a good time to get a frozen yogurt. We made it. We just got back on the boat and now Carly and I are going to dinner. We are starved.
Oh, we do have to do.
Wait, which isn't extra virgin back that way?
No, it's right here.
I'm turned around.
This vlog is probably the most chaotic vlog you've ever had on your channel.
Literally.
Like, for sure.
Get back here. Be aggressive. Aggressive.
Lovely. Oh, it's so pretty.
Okay. Oh. Hey guys, stay up. Go, go, go. Oh shit.
Got some pancakes and hash browns this morning and an iced oat milk latte. Olive toast test.
I love my Hanna Coleman. Winery date.
We're at the butterfly garden. We're getting butterflies.
Did you see that?
No. What'd you do?
Ew, like that.
I did this.
No, I did that.
No way.
Yeah.
I just did that at the same time.
Butterfly garden. Everyone went back on the boat, but I want to go explore. This is what I wanted to come see, this shell boat. Look at how sick. So fun. Very excited.
Hey, 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 hey. Oh. Nice, Hannah.